Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome to my digital profile video. My name is Chinta Meliana Napatupulu, a student of the accounting program at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, with student ID number 23,412,044. Through this video, I would like to share my personal and academic journey, highlighting how I have grown as an individual and what I aspire to achieve in the field of accounting and finance. I hope this reflection gives you a clearer picture of who I am, both professionally and personally. Educational background. Early academic journey. My academic journey began at SMA Negeri 1 Terusan Nanyai, where I majored in mathematics and natural sciences (MIPA). This was where I developed my love for numbers, logic, and structured thinking. Although my studies mainly revolved around science, I became interested in accounting after being introduced to basic transaction recording and financial principles in school. This interest gradually evolved into a passion, as I saw accounting not just as a technical skill, but as a critical tool for organizational decision-making and public trust. University life. Studying at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. In 2022, I continued my academic journey by enrolling in the Bachelor of Accounting program at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Throughout my studies, I have gained both theoretical knowledge and practical experience in areas such as financial accounting, taxation, managerial accounting, auditing, financial statement analysis, accounting information systems. These courses helped me to understand not just the mechanics of accounting, but also the ethical principles and responsibilities that every accountant must carry. I also learned how to use essential software such as MYOB, Accurate, Microsoft Excel, and Google Sheets to support modern accounting work. Strengths. Personal and professional advantages. Every person has unique strengths, and I believe some of my key strengths include checkmark discipline and consistency. I always strive to stay committed to my responsibilities, whether in academic work or team projects. I value punctuality and consistency in everything I do. Checkmark strong analytical thinking. Thanks to my background in MIPA and accounting, I am confident in my ability to analyze data, spot trends, and make logical conclusions based on financial information. Checkmark detail-oriented. I have a keen eye for detail, which is essential in accounting. I always double-check my work to minimize errors and ensure accuracy in records and reports. Checkmark good communication skills. I am able to express ideas clearly, both in Bahasa Indonesia and English, which supports my collaboration with classmates, lecturers, and campus organizations. Checkmark commitment to learning. I always seek to improve myself through learning, both inside and outside the classroom. I enjoy reading, attending seminars, and joining discussions on current economic and financial issues. Weaknesses. Areas I continue to improve. I also recognize that I have weaknesses that I continue to work on. Small diamond public speaking anxiety. At times, I feel nervous when speaking in front of large audiences. However, I'm actively addressing this by joining discussions and volunteering to speak in small group sessions. Small diamond perfectionism. While being detail-oriented is helpful, sometimes I spend too much time trying to make everything perfect, which can affect my time efficiency. I'm learning to balance quality with deadlines. Small diamond delegation challenges. When working in teams, I sometimes prefer to do tasks myself rather than delegate. I'm now learning how to trust team members and build shared responsibility. These weaknesses are not something I hide from. Instead, I see them as part of my personal development, and I continuously make efforts to grow through feedback, practice, and reflection. Campus life and self-development. Outside the classroom, I'm actively involved in campus organizations. These experiences have taught me valuable lessons in teamwork, leadership, and real-world financial planning. I believe that soft skills, like emotional intelligence, communication, and collaboration, are just as important as technical knowledge in the professional world. By being active in campus life, I continue to grow as a more confident and well-rounded individual. Career aspirations and long-term vision. Looking ahead, I aim to pursue a professional career in accounting and finance. Whether it's in public accounting firms, financial institutions, or business organizations, I want to contribute by ensuring transparency, accountability, and good financial governance. In the long term, I also hope to learn more about Islamic economics, and understand how ethical finance systems can support inclusive economic growth. I'm particularly interested in how technology, such as digital accounting tools, automation, and AI, will shape the future of financial services. More than just earning a living, I want to be part of something meaningful, helping organizations grow in a responsible, sustainable, and ethical manner. Closing. Final message and invitation to collaborate. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that through this introduction, you've gained insight into who I am, my background, strengths and weaknesses, and my professional goals. I believe that every step I take is part of a bigger journey to grow, contribute, and become someone who brings value not only to organizations, but also to society at large. I am always open to meaningful discussions, internships, collaborations, or opportunities to learn and contribute. Let's grow and succeed together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.